What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to stream on Facebook page with Prism Live Studio. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly do this? Well, first things first is you want to install Prism Live into your mobile device here. But once you've done that, let's go open up Prism Live. Now let's go and click on continue with Facebook here since we want to use our Facebook account. And from here, it will load up Facebook's login page, or in this case, just log in into your Facebook account. So let's go and click on continue. And from here, we want to go ahead and agree to a few things if it requires you. But typically speaking, it's going to say, please grant for permission on to use Prism app here. So camera, microphone, and notifications. Let's go and click on OK. And just choose the option here that says while using app, and allow. Now, once you've done that, it should allow you to open up your page here, which in this case, you should be able to do a few things. Let's go click on close. And from here, what we need to do is we want to set up a few things. But what you need to do here is you want to go and click on the profile icon that you see at the top right of your screen. And you want to go and click on the gear icon next to your name. Now, once you've done that, it should show you live settings here. Go ahead and click on stream destinations. Now, you want to go and click on connect Facebook. And from here, again, you need to connect your account. Let's go and click on OK. Prism Live Studio. And from here, it's going to request access again. Let's go and click on continue. And once you give access, as you can see, we now have Facebook. As you can see, it's now going to start live streaming that in your Facebook account. Now from here, let's go and go back into the main UI here. Click on the X icon that you see at the top right. Click on the X again. Now in here, you could go and just click on the ready. And from here, you could go and choose or edit a few things like the quality, intros. You can even choose your channel here, like for example, your Facebook account. But once you're ready, you just need to click on the go live button that you see there in order for you to start the stream. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.